Hello, greetings everyone. This is Avishka Thadani and welcome to the Daily Affairs. Right here, you will be getting all the front page updates of the day quite informatively. So, before we begin, I have a news related fact for all of you. The Times newspaper is the oldest daily newspaper in the United Kingdom. Founded as the Daily and Universal Register in 1785 before changing its name to the Times in 1788. So, without any further ado, let's get started with our first news of the day. Assailants kill criminal in police custody inside bus to Bharatpur. A group of 7 to 8 armed assailants barged into a roadways bus, sprayed chili powder in the eyes of approximately 7 to 8 cops, and killed a 28-year-old criminal who was being taken from Bharatpur to Jaipur for hearing at court. The assailants stormed into the bus, which had been halted at Amoli Toll Plaza. According to the police, the criminal, who is identified as Kuldeep, is pronounced dead by the hospitals. Another suspect, who was named as Vijay Pal, survived 3 bullets and is now in critical condition. He is now undergoing surgery at RBM Hospital in Bharatpur. Bharatpur IG Rupinder Singh said that 2 passengers who had sustained bullets are now out of danger. In boost ahead of 2024, TMC wins polls in big rural Bengal. Bengal's violence-marred rural vote gave Trinamool Congress a big, huge morale boosting. Going into next year's big Lok Sabha battle, all 30 Zilla Parishads and 2,664 of the 3,317 Gram Panchayats at stake. Second placed BJP won 6 panchayats and 216 gram panchayats in total. Left finished with just 2 panchayats and 38 gram panchayat samitis, while Congress managed to win only 4 total panchayats. Trinamool made inroads into the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe vote banks. Tomato trekking. As prices rise in, Uttarakhand residents go to Nepal for shopping. The sky-high prices of tomatoes has forced many people who reside in the India-Nepal border to cross the borders and thereby go to Nepal for shopping. A lot of Uttarakhand residents yesterday went for a whole tomato trekking. Residents of Darchula and Banbasa, which reside close to the Nepal and Uttarakhand border, decided to go and buy tomatoes from Nepal, which are half the price of current price of tomatoes in India. Tomatoes which are selling at rupees 120 to 130 per kg in Indian rupees are being sold in Nepali rupees at around rupees 100 to 100 per kg, which in Indian rupees is approximately 62 to 63 per kg. According to Kamal Joshi, a resident of Darchula in Nepal, said Nepal businessmen are earning double than their usual income for vegetables. Nepal's farmers have now realized that monsoon in India usually pushes up their vegetable prices. Over the past few years, the Nepal government has asked their farmers to diversify their crops and grow vegetables and fruits instead of grains. Tesla in talks for setting up factory in India for selling electric cars up to 20 lakhs. After years of delaying, Elon Musk's Tesla has started having open conversation along with the Indian government for an investment proposal of setting up a car factory in the country with an annual capacity of generating 5 lakh electric vehicles, with prices beginning at as low as rupees 20 lakhs. The company, which has a significant presence in China, including factories, is looking at using India as an export base to plan to ship cars to countries in the Indian Pacific region, government sources told Times of India. Tesla had come to us with a very huge plan, and we are definitely sure that this time it would bring a boost to our economy and will be very prosperous for the Indians. Sources told Times of India. That's it with all the front page updates. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.